Simple solutions to life.
Make it love, simple solution. Make it love, make it love, make it love, simple solution. Make it love,
Simple solution.
Yes. Hey, we have come to the front. Yes, I want to tell us today how to overcome debt using salt. Yes, this time around we are going to use sea salt. Okay, how to overcome debt. Are you overwhelmed with debt? As in, you are owing the bank, you are owing companies, you are owing individuals, you are owing your husband, you are owing your wife, you are owing your colleagues, you are a debtor. You are owing money. Don't worry. We brought an end to that problem today. Yes. You see, at times, if they just ring bell, green, they are giving loan, you go and collect. You don't even have need for loan, you go and collect. Yes, because there is a spirit that is pushing you. And when you collect this money, you cannot define, you cannot explain what you did with that money, and the money is gone. And you are left with the debt, the debris of debt to pay. So you keep paying debt year in, year out, year in, year out. And then your mates who are not being pursued by this demon, this territorial, this family demon, they are there building houses, buying good cars, marrying. Yes, some will get married, some will go on vacation, some will do so many things, but you are servicing debt year in, year out. So you become a vagabond, you be running around, hiding, so that they just knock on your door, you jump, you hide, because you don't want them to catch you. On the road, they'll be embarrassing you. Don't worry. The end has come today. Okay? So, now, how do you use sea salt to write off your debt? This is a very simple something, because debt you are seeing, debt is a spirit. Until you begin to see your problem as a spiritual problem, that's when it will come to an end. But if you continue to look at your problem as normal, casual, let me do my eye for you. I'm doing my eye for that your problem. The problem will remain there. Yes. So, why do you use salt? Sea salt. This is the brand of sea salt I have here, but you can use any type of sea salt of your choice. Yes. And some people will be asking me, Medilog, we don't have sea salt. Can I use my normal salt? Can I use ordinary salt? Yes. Yes. You can use normal salt. You can use your normal salt to do this also. But me, I will use sea salt to do mine. Okay? So, what you need to do is you carry your salt. Take a tablespoon, because this one now, my salt is gone down because I've used a lot from it. So you just drop it, at all the corners of your room, like where you are sleeping, and you can also drop it around your house, and then the entrance to your house, with this particular intention that every spirit of debt should vacate your house. Let every spirit of debt pack your load and pack their bag and baggages and live your life alone. Yes, in fact, spirit of debt is a visitor. If you don't know, it's a spirit. It comes into your home, it comes into your life, and it begins to push you around. You will love loan, you love debt, you want to take it. So, try this and you will see. So guys, join us as we look further, talk about other things in the video. Yes, this is just introduction. Let's go in. Hello. Welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are just seeing me for the first time, let me do my eye for you. I'm your sister. Don't mind me. My name is Medilock. Yes, in case you are new here, in case today is your first time of clicking my channel, seeing my face, please join us. Okay, let me do my eye for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel, because here we learn simple solution to life. Anything spiritual, anything that gives us that kind of solution to the problem that we have. There is no problem on the face of this earth that does not have solution. Yes. So guys, make a date with us. Just join us on this channel. Let's learn together. We don't charge fee. We tell you everything the way it's supposed to be. Yes. So today, due to, is it popular or due to different kinds of testimonies that has been coming up, reaching out to us, through through my WhatsApp and whatever, I've decided to come and draw our attention to anti-cancer herb again. Yes, this product is one of our products. We have a lot of products that we sell on this channel. Yes, and people have been giving us different kinds of testimonies from different products that we have. This one is for asthma. For those who are suffering from asthma, like hereditary or environmental or RO, whichever type of asthma that you have, this will take care of it. Just get asthma and then get honey. That is all. Just get this asthma product, get honey, you boil this one inside water. Take like tablespoon, boil it inside water. Then keep it. Be taking it. Just take a glass, just a small glass, a glass cup of it, every day for 21 days. And you kiss asthma goodbye. Yes. A minimum sobe. Now me tell you, if you know how to write it in Yoruba, please drop it in the comment section, because I still studying Yoruba. See, this one, this is anti-cancer. A woman was diagnosed with cancer. Now, the doctors are surprised how she got her healing. She just bought this. So, whatever type of cancer, even if it is, a man also from the US also sent me testimony of his prostate cancer. Yes, he's advanced in age. He was suffering from this prostate cancer. He bought this. He just bought one at first, and he whenever he takes it, begin to have this burning sensation, and all that. Then he was encouraged to keep taking it, and he placed order again for like 4, and today he is fine. Yes. So that is why I say, let me just come and tell us again. Are you talking about virus removal? For those who have tested positive to the deadly virus, results are coming back to us, turning negative. Those who were tested positive before, after taking this for 1 month, they are coming back negative. So God can use anything, you understand, to help your situation. Yes. And this one is spiritual husband and spiritual wife solution. Somebody came, bought this one, and after using it, the spiritual wife, after using it for 3 days, the spiritual wife came to him in the dream and said, "Dad, don't use that liquid again. Don't use that liquid. It's working already. Don't use it again. Don't use it again." He called me, he said, "Medilock, should I continue using it? That woman that used to sleep with me every night came. She was very angry. She said I should not use that liquid again. I said, don't mind her. She's a demon. Keep using it until you fulfill that 7 days. Just a drop of it inside water at 12 midnight every day for 7 days. Yes. Kiss spiritual husband, spiritual wife goodbye. Highly affordable. Yes. It's not expensive. Are we talking about a bestseller? Kulacham. Are you looking for favor? Are you looking for something? You can use Kulacham. This Kulacham, please, if you get it, some people may react to, some people may have like maybe allergy or something. Don't rub it, like rub it on your face. Just dab it, just like this. You understand? Just dab it, rub it on your hands like this. That is all. One like this can last you a whole year. Yes, and it's highly affordable. So, and one thing is that it sounds like heaven. Yes, I love the scent. That is one thing that I like about it. And it is spiritually potent, very effective. So, what are you waiting for? You can place order for your own. Look at this, our high BP medicine. Now we are getting testimonies concerning high BP medicine also. This is for those who are having who are hypertensive. Some hypertension is hereditary, and some is maybe due to hazard, you know, marital hazard, relationship hazard, career hazard, all kinds of hazard can expose you to high BP. Yes. When you develop high BP, when you are having, there are some issues that make somebody to develop high BP. Some it is in your blood, it's from your family. You can have high BP like that, but use this, it will bring it down. You only take half teaspoon once in a week, and that is it. Once in a week, that is it. So guys, the video of today, it is not about how to show you all these things. No, I want to show you how to overcome debt, spirit of debt, using salt. Yes. So I think I should take this particular information to the front of this video. Okay. See you.